Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. I want to do a short video on how to trade Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on the MT4, right? How to trade Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on MT4 or on margin trade. Okay, so this is how the trading platform look like. Okay, the trading platforms is like this. So if you first of all download your trading platform from let's say you go to um, forex time. Okay, you go to www.forextime.com, right? And you were able to download and install the MT4. That's the first thing you need to do on your system. Go to the forex time platform. In forex time you can trade cryptocurrencies, you trade oil, you trade any other thing, but we are focusing on cryptocurrency. You can trade other currencies too. Okay, so on this platform you scroll down and you come and click on MetaTrader 4. Okay, so you click on Meta, that's platform. Look at this trading platform. When you come down below it, you see trading platform. It's very easy. You can actually get it from the top there, but yeah, you can get it from here. You go to forex and forex trading. You see MetaTrader 4. That's under 2. You see indicator trading tools and see mobile app if you want to use mobile app, right? But if you're not using mobile app, you look at trading platform or use MetaTrader 4 under trading platform. You see trading Meta 4 for PC. And if you are using it for your mobile, go to this and mobile and download. You click on this, follow the instruction, and you will download. You download. See, uh, register. You have to register first. Download the app. You click on download. Follow the instruction. You will download the app and the app will be installed on your system. The MetaTrader 4 will be installed on your system like this. Now this app will install on your system. It comes most of time it comes with a chart. It comes like this, right? Let me scatter everything. It comes like this, and it come on a bar chart. Let me put it on bar chart. Okay, so we have different type of charts. It comes like this. In fact, there's no this moving average. So let me remove the moving average. It comes like this. Okay, so you now have this as your chart, very rough and like this, but I prefer clearing this line and making it, putting in your candlestick chart. So what do you need to do? First thing, just go to control, press control G. This the lines, the white lines will go away. Then you see on the toolbar, we have what we call toolbar. On the toolbar you see candlesticks. So preferable you put your chart on candlestick. Click on this, you see candlestick. Then the next we have line charts. We have three types of charts. We have bar chart, candlestick chart, and we have line chart. Then you zoom. You can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, you can zoom in or zoom out. I explained. You see that there are candles, some kind of candle formations. I will explain what the candlesticks all about, and that's what you're going to be using to determine the trade that you're going to trade. Okay, so we have the next thing that is very important to you here is on the next bar below this. The first we're going to see the console arrow, the crossbar, the line. That's drawing a vertical line. If you want to draw a vertical line and you want to draw a horizontal line, okay, you click on it and pick it and draw a horizontal line and use it to find support and resistance. And also we have Fibonacci level. Use it to find the Fibonacci level on the candlestick. Then the next one, very important, is time frame. You can see we have 1 minute time frame, 15 minutes, we have even 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and daily candlestick, and also weekly and monthly. So anytime you click on this time frame, let's this updating, it will update. The market is not up, okay, it has update. So any candlestick, this is 1 minute candlestick, that means 1 minute chart. It tells you that every candlestick that is formed is under 1 minute. Now the candlestick, you can see we have a kind of white candlestick, the one that is filled, and the black one, the one that is not filled. Okay, the white candlestick like this one tells you that the market is bearish, the market is selling. Tell you that the market is selling. You can see the market starts selling from here to this place. Then when you see a black candlestick with a few, you can change the color, though you can change the color to any color, but like this one. Now the next candlestick, this one is called the bullish candlestick. That means the market is going up. You see how the market's retracing up before the market start drawing down. So this for 1 hour, well, this for 1 minute. It tells you that every candlestick you see here, it was formed within 1 minute. Okay, so from here to here it was 1 minute, another 1 minute. Okay, so we have that of 5 minutes. Any candlestick, it tells you that any candlestick you see here form within what, 5 minutes. Okay, any candlestick you see here form within 5 minutes. We have the buying candlestick, this is the buying candlestick, and this is the selling candlestick. The same thing go for the 15 minutes. Any candlestick here is under 15 minutes. The same thing go for the 30 minutes. Any candlestick you see here is 30 minutes. The same thing go for 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. So most of the time I use analysis of top-down analysis. So I use weekly, daily, and 4 hours so to detect the market. Okay, so then 1 hour to execute on the market. Okay, so what you need to know about the market is the market oscillates. So we have another indicator, we call it oscillator. Okay, this is it. You can apply indicator by clicking on insert and see which of the indicator you're going to apply. You see different indicators here. The last one I applied was moving average. So to apply moving average, I click on moving average. This moving average has a period of 50 exponential, and the color is yellow. So if I apply it, you see it on the date here. Now the moving average is just an indicator showing you that if the price of the market is above the moving average, it tells you that the market is buy. That means you start buying at this, like this, for example, at this level, you start buying. If it is below it, just like what we are having here, it means that the market is bearish. It means the market is for sale. You start selling. Okay, you sell from here. Like that's the meaning of the moving average. So it just guides you when to sell, when to buy. The range, not really when to buy, when to sell. So that's what to do. But if you are in our group and you've not really undergo the physical training, what you just need to do is to know when to enter the value of the signals that will be sending to you. Okay, so to sell, when you see a trend moving downward, like what we are having, a short trend here, you sell. Okay, and sometimes the market might retrace against you and later sell. So that is how the chart is. Now it tells you that when you buy, you make profit when the market is going up. When you sell, you also make profit if the market is going down. So we have what we call support and resistance. So you buy, support means like it's just like the floor of the market. Okay, just like a floor of the price of the market. So you buy when there's a support at a particular point. Now like what we are seeing here, this place acting as a support because the market cannot break it down. It means that you buy, you can start buying from here, and when it gets to the next level that the market previously has not been able to penetrate it up, that place is called resistance. Okay, so you can see from here that there is a resistance in this level. Previously from here, the market could not penetrate this place up, it went down. Now you get to this place, it's now going up. So at this place you start selling because the market could not, there's this particular price level, 9179 is a price level that is like a resistance point. So you can start selling at this point, targeting the next support, which is this place. That's why we have a sell order here. So these are the methodology you're going to use to enter the market now. And this entails a lot. So you need to undergo a practical lesson to drive what you need to look at apart from the chart. Okay, we have the fundamental and technical analysis. Okay, you see most time advised to see the daily candlestick formation. You can see this point, as you can see this kind of candlestick is called a pin bar. That means the candlestick, the market is, as you can see this level is a resistance level. The market could not penetrate it up previously, and now we're having the same formation here, and this one is a reversal candlestick because previously the market has started going up from here, but it hit this place and it started coming down because this is a confirmation of the pin bar. Although this is Friday candlestick, okay, so it was still moving up and down on Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart we are looking at right now. So we believe that the price will drop up to 7738.3. So the price can drop to that level when once the market open on Monday, because of the kind of candlestick. You can see the is below the moving average. We can see some double top here. We can see the neckline broken. This one just like that. We can see the oscillator pointing down, telling us that the market is going to sell. Okay, so what do you do when you feel the market is selling? You click on this new order. You see new order, you click on new order. This place will open. Okay, the first thing you're going to see there is symbol. The symbol is Bitcoin versus USD. That is Bitcoin pair with United dollars. Then the next thing you're going to see is volume. Okay, what kind of volume? This volume depends on the amount in your account. Okay, depending on what you want to trade. So you can trade 0.01, 0.02 or 0.05, or trade a standard loss side, or even put 0.2 as your trading volume. Okay, so if you put that 0.2 as your trade, depending on how much you have in your account, you can trade it. Okay, or you trade 0.02. Now the higher the volume you have, the higher your profit or the higher your loss, right? So you need to be careful what kind of volume you are using, because volume is what really okay, so you can use any of the volume there. Now the next thing, our signal come with stop loss and take profit. So the next thing is stop loss. You put the value of the stop loss here. If you are buying or you are selling, if you are buying, your value, or you are selling, the value of your stop loss can be 91, just like the last one there, 9179, right? And your take profit will be the next line here, which is 7738 point something. You might put a point or leave it like that. So you click on sell, it will sell, but the market is closed. This is Saturday, the market is closed. So if you click that, it will pick the stop loss and take profit. So the stop loss is the maximum amount of money you are willing to put at stake, you are going to lose in the market, while the take profit, the maximum amount of money you are willing to make in the market. Because you might just, if you don't put your take profit, the market might just go down and start going up against you again. So you need to put your parameter in place, take profit and stop loss. So this is what you need to do. If you do that, you see the price moving in your direction, you see the market moving. So you need to understand the trend. You know, when the market is trending up from here to there, you know that you sell. Like from here, for example, we have a trend line. We call this a trend line. A trend line move tells you that there's a market movement moving on a particular trend. Like for example, from here now, we see the market is moving on this trend. So it's a bullish trend from here. So once it breaks the trend, like what it did here, there's a break of the trend there, it tells you that the market starts selling. You can see that we have a short trend downward, right? We see there's a movement of the trend downward. This is a downward trend now, getting to this point, and this point can also act as a support level. It's like a support level. Okay, so it's a support level, so you need to watch out if the market will move below this level or not. Okay, but from higher time frame, we can see that the market might as well break the support level. That's why we have a sell signal there. So this is what you need to know about the chart. Is a very unique chart that you need to know about trading. More of what you need to know, you just know when to enter the market, which we've done using the volume, and there's a calculation that you need to know also about how much you're willing to to risk in a particular trade and how much you are willing to put in a trade, signal that come to you. So we are going to do that calculation when next we do the next video. So this video is just to get you well acquainted with the MT4, the MetaTrader 4. So this is how the MetaTrader 4 look like. You can decide to change the background of the MetaTrader 4 and also change the color, right, of the chart. Okay, so you can decide to put something. Okay, this is black on white. You can have yellow on black, and you can have it like this by putting this black and white. I think this is more easy. So the black candle you can see here, the black candle you can see there is, and I can remove all this trend line. These are trend line. The black candle you can see is a bearish candlestick. That means still a sell candlestick. This is very easy to describe. Then the white candle is a bullish candlestick, tell you that the market is going up. Okay, so you also know when there is a reversal in the market. Look at what will happen here. The market was, let me remove some of these things so that it will be clearer enough for the video. And okay, you double click, and when the thing pick up, you click on this. So what you can see here, you see that the market has a pattern. Okay, the market has a pattern. You can see that now this market start moving up, it get to this point and start coming down. So someone that buy from here will make a lot of profit. When it get to here, it starts selling, you make a profit. This is why this is different from buying and holding. Like those people that bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was around 16,000 and it started dropping, they are in loss. But some people that sell the Bitcoin from here, they will be making profit. This is different between margin trade and holding it, buying Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency and holding it at all. Okay, so you get to the point, start going up, and it started going up, you can start buying. Okay, and when it start coming down, you start selling. So that's the joy of margin trade. You buy when the price is very low and anticipating that it will go up when it's very high. Just like there's a certain level, just you can see this level, this particular level, you can see that if I draw my, you see that it's like a peak. We have a peak here and we have a peak here. So when you buy from this level and you see it going to this next peak, you sell back and you make profit. You can see that it has below it. The same thing go, you see it in a slower time frame. Okay, so when you buy, you feel the market is going up and it gets to a particular level, you start selling. Like the point it is now is a nice point to sell. Why? You can see that this is like a resistance level. Okay, this is like a resistance level. It has previously resisted in this level, now is resisting in this level. It can tell you that the next point might drop to this point. Okay, so you buy, you sell. So you don't just be watching, you're making profit when the market is going down. Instead of watching and praying that the market goes up before you make profit, you can still be making profit down. So that's how you ideology of making the profit. Like now, let's say the market is open and you want to sell, you want to trade this particular market. You can see this is a 30-minute time frame. You can also look use 15 minutes to be very clear about it. So you can see it's more clearer if I also draw another chart from here. That's okay. This is like a channel. We have different type of pattern in candlestick. You can see that from here, the candlestick, the market, this is the market, this is the price of the market previously. It went into this candlestick as if it's coming down, it went up and it dropped to this point, it hit this point again, it went up and hit that point, it started coming down. That means there's a chance that it will hit this point, it will sell. So this chart is telling you that we have a bearish trend. So what you need to do if you want to trade this market is to place a sell at this particular level, then you put your stop loss above a certain level like this place. Now you know that it might go, there's a high chance that it might retouch this place, but it should not break this line upward. So you put your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, then you put or take profit somewhere here, this red line that we are putting, put your take profit, because you know that even if it is going up, it will just go and hit this thing and later come down and hit this place. Okay, so the price, we expect to see the price around $8,301. Okay, so if you are wrong, it means that it will go up. If you go to this place, it should close you out. Okay, so this is how to trade margin trade. It's very easy, simple. You can this is a chart. If you want to see any cryptocurrency on forex time, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Litecoin. So you can decide to open any chart you want to open. Okay, I think the chart, the signal is up, so the market is closed, so the chart might not open. Now it's for updates. Okay, so it's still taking time to update. So you can open any chart and begin to navigate from different charts. Okay, so you see the chart is coming up. This for Bitcoin, you can click on this, it's still loading. So when it's load, you see the chart fully as this. So that's giving you options. So what you need to do, just fund your account and start trading and start making profit from the global financial market, from the Bitcoin market, and from the crypto market. You can see this is a chart for Ethereum. There's a chart, this is how it comes. So you decide to clear and make it suit your own taste, then change it to candlestick, increase the lot size, you can see, and you can decide to navigate through the different time frame. You see, it's still selling, the market is still selling. When the crypto market was going down, a lot of people were making profit by selling, because the price of Ethereum went up to 1,300, even 1,000, yeah, 1,400, and start selling. At this level, it formed a pattern. We call it head and shoulder. You can see at this point a lot of people are selling. At this point now, we are just waiting for it to break this level. If it can break this level, if you can see below 400, we want to see below 400, rest assured that it will drop the more. It will drop to at least 300. So we can decide to sell. We're just waiting for a point here. This place has acted as support level. It might also pick up from here. If you see, because of this candlestick we are seeing here, these are more bearish candlestick. But if you see a bullish candlestick, we can say yes, this market can still pump up. It can still go up to this level. Okay, you can still buy to this level, but currently it's still under sell pressure. You can see that this is a previous resistance level, so you can see the market will go up. So if you want to analyze that it will drop, so once we see it below this level, we can say yes, this market will sell. It will sell to this level, because previously this is a support level for it. So it's in between a decision making point. Now this is for Ethereum on a daily candlestick. If I put it on a 4 hours, you can see it has started dropping for that level. That means if it starts selling, it will sell continually to this level before we see anything happen. Now if we go below this level, we can see that it will get to this point. Okay, so that's how to see it. Then you see it under 1 hour, the same thing. It's consolidating on 1 hour, and you see it like that. Okay, so it's very easy to analyze the market. This is just technical analysis. We have the fundamental analysis also. This for Litecoin that you were talking about. You can see Litecoin also has its own chart. This is a daily chart for Litecoin. Okay, 1 hour chart, and this is a daily chart for Litecoin. You can see Litecoin moved from this level. Litecoin moved from this level from when it was $100. It moved up to 300, and it started dropping. When it gets to this point acts like a support for it. It has a support for it, and it went up again. It went up to almost 250, and it started dropping. Now it's consolidating at this level. Once it break this level, we can see it below. We can see it at 107. This is the next level it will get to. But if it cannot break this level and it make this place a support level, that means we will see a more we will see a kind of a buy to this next level, which is this place. You can see, so you can put your next resistance level is here. So the next target is this place. So if you didn't break this point downward, if you break that point downward, we can say our next support level is here. So that means you decide to sell at below 153. So you can sell below 150 and get your target at 105. But if the bullish candlestick hold, you can buy and get your target at 252. So this is how you can perceive the movement of the market and know when to buy and when to sell. So using your money your money management policy, you know when to sell and when to buy. So I would say thank you. These are three candlestick. These are two cryptocurrency we can trade under my margin. You can ask me next question. I still remain Austin Jubre Agabi, an FX and cryptocurrency trader. Thank you for this video. Stop here.